Yes, students. Multiplication of a binomial by a binomial or a trinomial. There are two methods. First is row method and second is column method. The question which we have just now done, this one, it is by row method. Rest of the examples are by column method. See how we do column method. Multiply the following algebraic expressions using column method. First example, we have to multiply 8b minus 7c by plus c. So we will write it like this: plus 8b minus 7c multiplied by plus c. When we multiply this plus sign with minus sign, sign will be negative. 7 1 is 7, and when c multiplied by c, it will be c square. When we multiply this plus and plus, sign will be plus. 8 1 is 8, and when we multiply b and c, it will be bc. So 8bc minus 7c square. Next example, we have to multiply a plus b. Students, here it is wrong. Make correction, it is b minus a, not a minus b. So first we will write a plus b. We have to multiply by b minus a. Start from this side. When we multiply b by a, it will be ab. When we multiply b by plus b, it will be plus b square. Now come to second row, as we do double multiplication in arithmetic. Now when minus a is multiplied by b, it will be minus ab. ab is like term like this. We will write like terms below like terms. Here ab, here also ab. Sign may be differ, but their literal coefficient should be same. So we will write minus a multiplied by b, it will be minus b. We will write minus ab below this ab. When we multiply this minus a by this a, it will be minus a square. Now this ab, it is plus ab minus ab, it will be cancelled, plus b square minus a square. Now next example, we have to multiply 2e plus 7f minus 5. It is trinomial, and we have to multiply this trinomial by binomial, that is e plus f. We will write 2e plus 7f minus 5, then multiplied by e plus f. Start from here. When 2e multiplied by e, 2 1 ja 2, e multiplied by e, it is e square. Now e multiplied by plus 7f, so 7 1 ja 7, e multiplied by f will be ef. Now e multiplied by minus 5, minus will be here and it will be 5e. When multiply minus 5 by e, it will be minus 5e. Now come to second expression. Here we have to multiply first expression by the second term of second expression f. When we multiply f by 2e, it will be 2ef, and here in first line this expression is with ef term, so we will write below it, it will be plus 2ef. When we multiply this plus 7f by plus f, it will be 7 1 is 7, 7f square. We will write this 7f square little bit outside, because there is no term with f square in first line, so we will write it little bit outside, plus 7f square. When we multiply this plus f by this minus 5, 5 1 is 5, it will be minus 5f. It will be also written outside, because in first line there is no term with literal coefficient f. It is also like term. We will write like this, only we write the like terms below the like terms. Now we will solve it. 2e square plus 7ef plus 2ef, it will be plus 9ef, sorry. 7 and 2 9, ef minus 5e will be written as it is, plus 7f square will be written as it is, minus 5f will be written as it is. I think all three examples by column method are clear to you. For the rule for multiplication, see here, sign rule for multiplication. Use this table on page 73 for the multiplication of sign. Clear?